Okay, in this video I want to take a look at how you can edit and delete assignments and discussion boards. So what I have down here is the assignments. This assignments area is just some optional assignments you can give students, and then these are the discussion boards right here that only the online classes are going to deal with the discussion boards. The face-to-face classes don't do them. So if you're teaching a face-to-face class, you may need to get rid of them. I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's take a look at the assignments first. So all the assignments are just assignments that you can assign to the students to do. These are some that I took from another course. They're not ones that I created myself, but they're really simple to do. And if you need to create your own assignment, you just come up here and you go Assessment, Assignment right there. And you just click on that. You put in the title. You put in what you want them to do. You put in the points possible. Add a rubric if you want to. For grading options, you just do whether you want to do, or submission details, whether you want to do a single attempt or unlimited attempt, whatever. And then when you're done, you just do submit. I'm going to do cancel because I already got one here. But that's how easy it is to create an assignment. If you want to create an assignment that you want to give your class, that's perfectly fine. It just won't be assessed. You know, so that's just so you understand. These are all optional assignments that you can give. But what if you need to get rid of them? So for example, you're teaching a class and you don't want to give any of these assignments. Well, the problem is that right now, under assignments, they show up. So you can see there's the Excel assignments. You have to give those. And then you get into this chapter 1, chapter 2. And you come all the way down here where I have this little assignment called test. So I'm going to get rid of that one just to show you how it works. So if I come into my assignments here, and I scroll down, and I have this test assignment right here, all I need to do is just hit the down arrow, click delete, click OK. That's it. It's gone. Now, and it's permanently gone. You can't get it back. So if I go into here, I click on assignments, and I go all the way over. See how it was, here's the Excel ones, goes all the way over to chapter 7. No more assignment. No more test assignment. So that's how I get rid of them. So what I'm suggesting to you is I give you a lot of stuff. You remove what you don't need. So this is how to remove the assignments. Now, the Excel assignments you have to give, you can't, don't be removing those. Those are part of the assessment. Let's take a look at discussion boards because they're a little bit different. If you go to the discussion boards right here, you can see that they're all listed right here. And you would think you could do the same thing. You just, right click and do delete. Doesn't really work that way. It's a little bit more of a clunky process. I don't know why Blackboard does this, but I'm going to show you what to do. So if I go into Course Tools right here, and I go to discussion board right there, and then you click on this one that says D Master CS110 DL 721V6. Just click onto that, and if you go all the way down to the bottom here, you're going to see one that says Test. Okay, so there's where that discussion is. Now let's take a look at our grade book just to kind of confirm what's going on. So I'm going to go to forget Course Tools for a second. Go to the Grade Center. Go to discussion boards. And you can see I've got all my discussion boards here, and there's my test one right there. Okay, so here's how you delete it. So you come into, again, Course Tools, and you go to discussion board, and you go to this link right here, and you just scroll down to whatever discussion you don't want to have in there. It can be all of them if you want. You just check that box, click delete. It will say, do you want to do that? Yes. You'll go to this page where you check this to confirm everything, click remove, and that gets rid of it, 100% gone, okay? Which is what I recommend you do for your discussions, just make them gone. And then if you check out for the full Grade Center, the discussion boards again, you can verify that, sure enough, that test was gone because it was right here before team presentation. Now there's another thing you can do to potentially hide them from the grade book. I don't like this method, I'd rather you just delete them. But I'm going to show you this anyways. So if you go into discussion board once again, you go to this one, and you come down, say to the team presentation one, and you click here, and don't hit delete, just hit edit. And if you come into here and you check no grading in form right there, okay, so this one has a points possible 40. I'm going to do no grading in form. Okay, I'm going to click submit. Click OK. And then what it's going to do is it's going to basically take it out of the grade book, but it's still actually there. All right, so if we go to discussion boards, and we come here, and you can see individual presentations there, team presentations not. Okay, so there's another way to do it. I don't like that way as much, but you might want to, maybe if you're unsure and you just want to hide it and that should hide it from the student book, grade book. I say should because I'm not 100% sure, but it should do it. Okay, so if we come back and we go to course tools again, and I go to discussion board, hit the wrong one. Course tools discussion board. Click this link, go down to the team presentation one. Say I want to set it back so it can be seen. I just do edit, and I come down here and go grade discussion forum, points possible, and then put in whatever points possible you want to do, and click submit, and that's it. Okay, so that is how you can add assignments or delete assignments, and also how you can delete discussion boards.